Imagine for a moment that everything you see, touch, and experience around you might not be entirely real. What if our three-dimensional universe, the galaxies, the planets, even black holes, was actually a hologram? The holographic principle. Are black holes just cosmic holograms? The holographic principle is a mind-bending theory suggesting that our three-dimensional reality could be a kind of projection from a two-dimensional surface. It's like how a hologram on a credit card appears three-dimensional, even though it's actually stored on a flat two-dimensional surface. But here's the twist. In this theory, the surface isn't just any piece of flat space, it's thought to be the event horizon of black holes. So what does this mean for black holes? Well, the holographic principle proposes that black holes might not be these mysterious voids we once thought, gobbling up everything that crosses their event horizons. Instead, they may store information about everything that falls into them on their two-dimensional surfaces. In other words, everything that falls into a black hole could be encoded on its surface, like data burned onto a CD. Think of it like this. Just as information is stored in a computer or a CD, black holes could be storing data about the things that get sucked into them. But unlike traditional storage, this data isn't just stored in a way we're used to. It might actually be the basis of the entire three-dimensional reality we perceive. This idea was born out of a decades-long mystery called the black hole information paradox. Stephen Hawking discovered that black holes emit something known as Hawking radiation, which gradually causes them to lose mass and eventually disappear. The problem? According to the laws of quantum mechanics, information about the particles that fell into the black hole shouldn't just vanish. Enter the holographic principle proposed by physicist Leonard Susskind as a potential solution. Susskind's theory suggests that all the information about objects falling into a black hole is stored, not lost, but preserved on the event horizon in two-dimensional form. This concept extends beyond black holes. If the holographic principle holds, it could mean that all of our reality is a projection from a distant cosmic boundary. But let's take it one step further. If the entire universe operates this way, then everything we experience could be encoded on a distant two-dimensional boundary, meaning the entire three-dimensional cosmos we see is, in essence, a projection. Imagine galaxies, stars, and even you and me existing as holographic imprints of data. Now, this may sound like science fiction, but there are serious implications. For instance, if reality is holographic, it could redefine our understanding of space and time. Distances, dimensions, even the fundamental nature of matter might operate differently than we ever imagined. We could be seeing only a fraction of reality, a reality projected from a two-dimensional source. It's a wild idea, isn't it? To think that we might be living in what's essentially a cosmic illusion, where everything that looks three-dimensional is actually a sophisticated projection. Thanks for diving into the mysteries of the universe with us. Tomorrow we're exploring another incredible question. Could wormholes be gateways to other universes? Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. And let us know in the comments. Can you imagine our universe as a hologram?